Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Have you seen those Japanese souffle pancakes that are airy and fluffy? Yes, that's what we are making today. Now let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!